Hi, I'm Chantel Herschel.
Hey guys, it's Adam Benson.
Hi, I'm Brandon Adkins.
Hey guys, it's Garrett.
As you may know, Quest Integration has been acquired by Hawk Ridge Systems.
And we're here to tell you
That we are here.
And everything is going to be okay.
I'm sure you have many questions, and we're here to answer them for you. How will this impact me, and what do I need to do? Absolutely nothing. Quest Integration and Hawk Ridge Systems are currently business as usual. We'll be working to move your systems over to Hawk Ridge so that you can have a perfect continuity of service. As certain processes come up that do need a change, your account rep will be in contact to help keep the transition smooth.
Can I still talk to the Quest team? Please do. As our customer, you are still the priority. We're dedicated to providing you guys expert service, support, and the commitment that you've always expected from us locally.
Are you going to keep your office? The answer is yes. We'll still be here in our Post Falls, Idaho location. We'll be traveling around to visit our customers just like you would expect and provide you with local training when you need it. The combining of these two companies means that there are 22 office locations across the US and Canada to serve you today.
Do I still get support? That answer is absolutely yes. For our subscription service customers, one key advantage of our combined companies is that it gives you access to an even deeper bench of talent and resources for your specific solutions.
What about local events? We will resume live local in-person events as soon as it is safe to do so. We can't wait to see your smiling faces. So rest assured, we're here.
Offering the same great support.
Same local presence.
With even better resources.
We're excited to work with you.